Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Stuart McPherson. I'm the project leader and founder of DARWIN200. Right now, we're sailing a beautiful historic ship around the world to train the world's top young conservationists, undertake the world's most exciting classroom, which is every single week we're beaming out experiments, activities and lectures to children around the world. And last but not least, we're undertaking research projects and special activities in each of the ports that we're visiting. I want to talk to you today about one of those special projects. DARWIN200 is currently in the beautiful city of Rio de Janeiro. We've partnered with the Association of the Golden Lion Tamarin, a local conservation group, which are working really hard to restore the habitat of the beautiful but endangered Golden Lion Tamarin. The point of the project is to raise money to help support the efforts of the Association of the Golden Lion Tamarin. We ourselves, DARWIN200, have already raised and donated US $10,000 thanks to our partners Carbon Capture Solutions Limited and Fourth Element. I'm asking you now to please match fund our efforts. We're trying to raise another $10,000. Every single penny, 100%, goes to the Association of the Golden Lion Tamarin to expand the efforts that we're doing right now. Every day this week, you can look on our DARWIN200 YouTube channel and see daily updates of how many trees that were planted. We've only got a week to raise this money, so please consider supporting. I personally am putting in money, as is DARWIN200. Help us get to the goal of US $10,000 to expand this amazing and important effort to replant trees and restore this beautiful habitat that Charles Darwin visited, but sadly has mostly been destroyed in the 2 centuries since. Thank you very much for listening. Please follow us on darwin200.com or on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and other social medias. Let's make this happen and replant those trees to expand Brazil's beautiful native forests. Thank you.